In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to study with ChatGPT. If you want to make your study sessions more organized, more productive, and less overwhelming, ChatGPT can be a very useful learning partner. The key is knowing how to use it in a smart and structured way. In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn ChatGPT into a tool for planning, learning, practicing, and revising more effectively. A great place to start is by creating a personalized study plan. Instead of trying to figure out everything on your own, you can use ChatGPT to organize your subjects and build a study schedule that fits your goals. This is especially helpful when you're studying more than one subject at a time. You can ask it to break large topics into smaller, manageable learning goals, so you're not trying to learn everything all at once. It can also help you set daily, weekly, and monthly targets, which makes your progress easier to measure. On top of that, you can use it to track revision sessions so important topics don't get forgotten. For example, you could ask, create a 30-day study plan for learning biology and chemistry. Another powerful way to study with ChatGPT is to use it for difficult topics. When something feels too complex or confusing, ask for a simpler explanation. ChatGPT can explain concepts in plain language, give step-by-step breakdowns, and provide examples or analogies that make the idea easier to understand. You can also ask it to summarize chapters or lessons, which is useful when you need a quick review. A very helpful tip here is to tell ChatGPT your learning level, so the explanation matches your needs. For example, you could say, explain photosynthesis as if I were a high school student. ChatGPT is also excellent for practice. After each study session, you can ask it to generate quizzes, multiple-choice questions, flashcards, or short revision exercises. This is a great way to test your understanding instead of just rereading notes. Practicing regularly helps you spot weak areas so you know what needs more attention. For example, you could ask, create 20 quiz questions on World War II with answers and explanations. Finally, use ChatGPT to review and revise efficiently. You can paste in notes, textbook sections, or articles and ask for concise summaries, study guides, or key point lists. It can also support essays, assignments, and research by helping you organize ideas more clearly. To make revision even stronger, combine this with active recall and spaced repetition so you revisit information at the right time and strengthen your memory. A useful prompt would be summarize this chapter into concise revision notes and key takeaways. Used the right way, ChatGPT can help you study with more structure, confidence, and focus.